is up, guys? I am back on this 36 or so foot water taxi here, redoing the decks, and man, look at this, right? This is already after I've dumped most of it out. There's a bunch of snow that came in the door here that's been leaking. I haven't been here in probably 4 days, maybe. It's been cold and shitty. It's been leaking all the way down here, down the seat, and fucking coming down here and here. This section was all wet here and into the bilge, which means the water's been coming in to the foam here, which hopefully hasn't separated any further and leaking through. So that's kind of a bitch. So I gotta clean up this water, and these guys didn't do the best job taping up this door, so I gotta do that, which I guess I should have checked. Fun stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to see what chaos happens next.